All right, so this is a small waterfall. This is at Hug Point, Oregon. And there are caves next to that waterfall. And there's even more caves over there. Here's the ocean. Now, I was told this area is known to be kind of fun because you can explore these rock areas, some of these caves and crevices. There's more over here. And but then when it's at high tide, the ocean comes in and it's too much water. So here's the this gentleman's he's in my video, but that's fine. How you doing? Oh, that's okay. Does this have a name? Yeah. That's okay then. Oh well. Anyway, I asked the guy if he knew if this waterfall had a name. And look at this. This is amazing. Real pretty. Oh my gosh. Nice waterfall. I might do a not too shabby of this video of this waterfall. So, but then like caves. Actually, here's the stream. This is a really neat spot. Somehow I gotta navigate over. I want to go in there, so I might have to jump. All right, I'm gonna kind of jump. Here we go. Oh. Oh, my feet are all wet. It's okay. Woo! There's the waterfall. Another view of the waterfall. And then, I guess it's not much of a cave, but kind of this interesting, definitely kind of an interesting area here. Facing out at the ocean. So, Hug Point. It's a really neat, this is cool. And I mean, it kind of goes in here for a little while. So, a little spooky if you ask me, but anyway, let's just finish the video with one last look of the waterfall here. It's real pretty. That's real pretty. And actually, let's get one more. I'm gonna run over here. Oh yeah. Thank you for watching.